Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I want to go over our replacement hood latch set for the 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Now this is a complete replacement kit that includes everything for your hood latches. It includes the two brackets that mount, as well as the mounting hardware, and it includes the two catches as well with the mounting hardware too. Now, if you're familiar with these parts on your Jeep, you'll notice that on the factory Jeep, the rubber pieces here, they crack over time. We've gone ahead and we've used a more durable, heat-resistant, UV-resistant rubber to avoid that in the future. And it does include both of them. So for both sides of your hood, you'll be able to replace them and you won't have to worry about them anymore.